In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform basic calculations in Microsoft Word tables. Even though Microsoft Word is primarily a word processor, it has built-in tools that allow you to add, subtract, multiply, or average numbers in your tables, perfect for simple data or quick calculations without switching to Excel. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and create a table, or click inside an existing table that contains numbers you want to calculate. Next, place your cursor in the cell where you want the calculation result to appear. For example, if you want to sum a column of numbers, click in the empty cell at the bottom of that column. Go to the Layout tab under Table Tools on the ribbon. In the Data group, you'll see the Formula button. Click it to open the Formula dialog box. Word will automatically suggest a formula based on your table's layout. For example, to add a column of numbers, the suggested formula is usually equals sum open parenthesis above close parenthesis. To add a row of numbers, you can use equals sum open parenthesis left close parenthesis. If you want a different calculation, click the drop-down menu in the formula box. You can choose other functions such as average, product, min, or max. After selecting the function, click OK, and Word will calculate the result and insert it into the cell. If your numbers change later, you can update the calculation. Right-click the result cell and select Update Field to recalculate the formula with the new numbers. You can also manually type simple formulas. For example, in a row, you can type equals left plus right to add numbers in adjacent cells. Just make sure you follow Word's formula syntax. Using this feature, you can quickly perform basic calculations without leaving Word, making it handy for simple invoices, grade sheets, or lists with totals. And that's how you perform basic calculations in Microsoft Word tables. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.